Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. Today I'm going to actually talk about a love story that is happening in your body. I already feel it's getting warm here. I'm French. Okay, so one of the things I learned in my life is that obviously good balance is the key. If you have a good amount of beer, of food, of friends, then you are healthy because you are happy, right? And actually this also happens in your cells. Here, the little circles. And the problem is actually happening when you have a bad balance in your cells. And in the field, we're actually trying to figure out what are the mechanisms that explain this bad balance in your cells. And this sometimes gives rise to metabolic disorders such as obesity and diabetes. In our lab, we are not working with humans, obviously, and we are actually working with cells that are coming from mouse. Okay, so cells. What is a cell? This is really a simplified way of seeing what is a cell, but I'm just going to talk about two compartments that actually are really important for your cells. The first one is the mitochondria here, and this is basically the powerhouse of your cells, where you are going to generate massive energy, and this is really essential for the function of cells. Okay, so now the second compartment is the nucleus, and maybe you heard about it because this is basically where you're going to find the DNA that define your size, the color of your eyes, and everything. Okay, so what is the balance in the cells? The thing is that we usually really like to separate things. It makes sometimes things easily. You have the nucleus somewhere, mitochondria, they are separated, but obviously it doesn't work like that. And the thing is that in the cells, they're actually sharing the same food, which is the little guys in orange here. And a good balance in your cells means that you have a good distribution of this food between these two compartments. And a bad balance in your cells is when one of these compartments eats too much of this food, and then the other one cannot eat this food anymore. Okay, so now it's coming a really nice story about what I want to talk about love story in your cells. So yeah, guys, actually a lot of romantic and love stories happening in your cell, especially in the nucleus. So first, let me present the first lover that my boss, Marc, is crazy about. This is basically Juan. So Juan is a protein that you find in your DNA. And when I started my PhD, nobody really knew what he was doing. So now let me present to you the second partner of this love story. This is Antonio. So Antonio is really important in your cells because when she gets stressed, because she can get stressed too, sometimes you have a small piece of your DNA that can be broken in little pieces. But don't worry, Antonio is gonna fix it. The thing is that Antonio, when he does that, it's kind of a good guy and kind of a bad guy. The thing is that if he fixes it, he actually overeats this really essential food. So as you probably can expect, if he's overeating this food, then you get a really bad balance in your cells. So now the love part of this story. The thing is that Juan and Antonio really love each other. And when they kiss each other, basically Antonio doesn't care anymore about working too hard or even eating too much. This is actually how you maintain the good balance in your cells. So what happens, obviously, that's what actually we discovered in our lab, is that if you eliminate Juan from the party, you have a really bad balance, and you can create metabolic disorder, not just as a cellular level, but as a whole organism, such as mice. And obviously, in the future, one of the main questions is going to be to figure out if this kind of disorder can be also explained by the absence or malfunction of Juan. So, if you are interested to talk more about this, you can take a beer with me or contact me to this mail, and I would, tic tac, this is coming. Happy St. Valentine's Day.